Here at the University of Reading, we're looking into the reasons why particular diets rich in fruit and vegetables are good in protecting the brain against aging.
Diet can strongly influence the incidence and the onset of particular neurodegenerative disorders. Various components of food and drinks have been avidly investigated in recent years for their ability to reduce the incidence of these neurodegenerative conditions.
So one of the first things we look at is we get human participants in and feed them diets rich in fruit and vegetables, and then look at their neurocognitive performance, particularly things like mood and memory and executive function.
One particular class of compounds that's been looked at in detail are the flavonoids. And these are a group of compounds that we find in very high concentrations in the berry fruits like blueberries, blackberries, strawberries for example. And tasks such as the ones you see behind me, which measures people's ability to plan ahead, have been used to show that diets that are rich in flavonoids can significantly improve performance on tasks like this.
When everyone ages, they suffer a normal amount of cognitive decline in terms of memory loss or in motor performance. What we're saying is that by eating these diets, this may prevent you from your cognition from declining at a fast rate.
So how might the flavonoids be producing their effects? Well, at the moment we don't really know. It's possible that the flavonoids are working to protect vulnerable neurons, so neurons that we normally would expect to die as we age. It's possible that the flavonoids are working to enhance the activity of cells within your brain that are used in the performance of these tasks. Or alternatively, it might be that the flavonoids are actually stimulating the growth of new brain cells, leading to the improvements we see.
We don't want to limit ourselves to looking at only the berry fruit, and we have an interest to widen this to other fruits and vegetables. For example, one we're interested in is cocoa. Cocoa beans are a very rich source of flavonoids within our diet, and we believe that these also have the potential to hold some benefits against brain aging. Most of our research here at Reading is funded by the research councils, for example the BBSRC and the MRC. However, due to the nature of our research, there's of course a lot of interest from industry, particularly in the development of new foods or functional foods which might be beneficial in combating this age-related decline in cognition.